Hello guys, welcome back to Talk with Shakaaraah. I'm Odisa, and with me here is
Shola.
Today we're going to be talking about something that we've noticed is it's making a lot of developers seem lazy in a way, but it's also helping the tech world. So what I'm trying to talk about is AI. But AI has actually helped us a lot in the tech world, from debugging a lot of codes in 5 seconds and all that stuff, and to doing a lot of features. So now, but the big question now is it actually helping us as developers, or is it making us more lazy? So now let's just talk about that. So what do you think?
Personally, I think AI is helping people, but at the same time, let me just put it this way. People use AI wrongly these days, okay?
Yeah.
People prompt wrongly. And then people use AI sometimes to avoid thinking. And AI is supposed to help you think. No, it's supposed to assist with what you think. Prompting now, you have to give your ideas. You have to think yourself about what you want to build, okay? And then you give AI and then it builds that thing for you. Some people just use the AI to bring those ideas. They don't have a plan. Do you understand?
So what you're telling me now is AI is making us lazy.
Yes.
When you use AI a lot.
Yeah, I do, but I don't use it to escape thinking.
So you should think. No, I'm just trying to be real here now. But I've kind of solved the internet, and so a lot of questions that people have been asking about AI. So I want us to try and break it down.
Okay.
So the first thing that I noticed that a lot of people have been looking at is how they approached coding before AI and after AI. Because me now, let me not lie to you. Before AI, coding on 900 lines of code taking 2 days. But with AI now, I can code a whole project in one day actually. But so I won't say it's making me lazy. You might know yes, I'm kind of lazy with it, but I won't say it's making me lazy, but I feel it's also increasing my productivity. So to you now, how do you see it?
Okay, so I would not say I started coding way before AI or something, because I started coding in 2024 when I transferred to study computer science in school. As someone who wanted to study medicine. So I was new to coding. I didn't know anything about coding.
We have the same lifestyle.
So I didn't know anything about coding, yeah. And then at school, they don't really teach you that much about coding. They'll just give you the basics and expect you to just research.
University don't help me at all.
And then they just expect you to research and start building your own projects and all. So I learned the hard way actually. I had to start learning from YouTube, Googling stuff, and then just starting it brick by brick, the beginning.
Yeah.
And then I started with coding on paper. Can you imagine?
School, having?
Yes.
Very easy.
So coding on paper, and then I just felt okay, how are every one of my mates still doing this thing? Everybody is telling me they are done with their projects this fast and everything. So I was okay, me too, let me start now. Only for me to start, and then I'm just getting errors from my AI, the same AI that everybody is using that I'm trying to use too. And then that was when I learned how to prompt.
So with what you said now, I have another question. So you said you'll be getting a lot of errors. So do you think that people that don't know anything about coding can use AI to build a full project?
If you can think, yes.
If you can think.
Yes. Because if you cannot think, you would not have a good prompt to give your AI. Let me tell you something. You know how AI works? It works on what you give it to it. If you give it a shitty prompt, yes, it will give you garbage in, garbage out. Do you get? But if you prompt well, that's the thing. Prompting is just how you can enjoy your AI. Prompting well. If you don't prompt well, forget it.
But even because me, I use AI a lot. But even with prompting, yeah, I feel like you still need to know some things in coding.
Definitely.
I feel like AI cannot just replace the whole thing of trying to learn coding in the whole scope.
Yes, let me explain it. Because when you prompt, and when you give your AI this prompt to do this thing, when it gives you the output, you also have to you also have to think. I mean, you also have to
Like, look at what the AI gave you.
yes, you have to understand the logic of what your AI gave back to you, of the output your AI gave you.
Yeah, you they contradict yourself.
Yes, now you still have to.
I asked you a simple question. You said I asked you that do you need to learn? Do you need to know coding?
Yes, in a way.
But you said no. If you know how to prompt.
Yes, no. Let me tell you something. If you know how to prompt, then you can think. It means you already have an idea of what you want to do. Okay, so when you get those errors, okay, when you get the output, you think of this thing. You think and say, oh, did this thing match? Does this output match what I wanted? What I wanted. Okay. Does this? Because I don't know how to explain this, but you have to understand the logic of what you are giving it at first, because the logic of what you're giving it at first is what it's giving you back as an output.
Yeah.
Do you get? So you have to understand the logic. You have to. If you don't understand the logic, then what are you doing? What are you building?
So you're already telling me now that like all these junior developers, like all these people that are just coming into coding now, because obviously nobody's going to like, even if they teach you how to code, everybody's like try to make you go back into AI. Because they say like, oh, AI help you, AI help you.
Yes.
So now, do you believe that the way they are building junior developers now is like making them more lazy, or is it affecting the way they are building them up?
Yes, like I said before, it's making people lazy because people use AI now to escape thinking.
To escape problem-solving skills.
Yes, to escape thinking in general, because many people just go to their AI and just type in. Before I take my keyboard, I like my favorite phase of coding is the thinking phase, is the planning phase, the planning stage. When I sit down and think, oh, this is what I want, this is what I want to build. If you're building a website or an app or something, you have to think, oh, this is the color I want, or this is the kind of features I want on my web app or something. If you don't think like that, if you don't have an idea of what you want to do there and just tell AI to freestyle or give you something, it might not give you exactly what you want. And then you that doesn't even know how to think will just accept it. You will not even understand it. So yes. when your AI gives you solutions, if you cannot understand why there's a solution to why there's a problem that needed to be fixed, that the solution was given, then there is nothing that you're doing.
So like another thing that I see a lot of people asking now is that should you just trust, or do you trust like AI generated code? Like once the AI gives you the code, because me now the way I use my AI is once they give me the code, I'll run it. I won't check anything first though. I'll run it, then see is there any error. Now when I see error, then I'll be like, let me go back. But now to you now, because you say you like doing a lot of thinking. I don't know why you're so manual. Then to you now, do you enjoy or do you trust AI generated code once?
Let's say 70 to 80%, because AI can be wrong sometimes. Do you get? But then that's why I said when it gives you an output, you have to understand that code that I sent you. You have to review it.
But if you go on TikTok now, you see a lot of people that are talking about these code calls. That they'll say, oh, use this AI. When you call this person, use this AI to like do websites for them, blah, 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 and all those kind of things. So
you still have to check everything. I don't know why you guys will just see. I trust AI the way I trust a new employee. I would still check your work before I put you live.
Well, but there are some AI that will do the whole thing for you,
but you still trust it completely.
Like mad. I trust AI anyhow. So but generally, there are some things that, how do I say it now? There are some things that I prefer still doing without AI. Like now, in the research phase, obviously when you want to do a new project, you have to do some research and some of all those things. Yeah. So now to you, what's one? Because it's still one you just be saying, oh, AI this, you be saying negative things about AI, but what's one part of AI that how has it helped in your coding? Like one part that you enjoyed that also stressed you before?
Debugging easily. Hands
easily.
down. Look, debug before I would be going over this code. Something that would take AI 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I'll do it for 3 days. Can you imagine? I wrote a full program, and then I was still getting the same error every time. And I'm like, what was wrong? I started writing it on paper. That was how bad it was. Only for me to run it through AI and find out that I was missing
What? Comma.
the semicolon. Just one semicolon. And that's something that I might not have
Seen by yourself.
seen, yes,
Yeah.
until I start writing it out in paper. And that would take a long time again.
Wait, calm down. I don't understand what you were saying before. So wait, you
Yes,
code on your laptop. Then
when
if there's
did
an
it-
error,
yes, now.
that's writing it on paper again.
Yes.
So if you have like 1,000 lines of code now, that's
Oh,
what you do.
no. I will not do that.
Eh, so in that kind of situation, how will you?
Yes, that's
You just
when
send it
that's
straight to AI.
yes, and then but then
So like with the way I've been talking, obviously it's obvious that it seems like I'm over dependent on AI.
yes,
But-
yes, you are. You're literally one of the people that I think would use AI to escape thinking, genuinely. Because like you said, you literally said the research phase is your favorite
And
stage.
am I not thinking?
Me too. My favorite stage is the planning stage, where I tell myself, oh, this is what I want to do. This is what I want my AI to do. But then, with everything you've been saying, I don't think you research at all. I feel like you just tell your AI,
Research this
okay,
one.
do this for me, research this for me, and stuff like that.
Now you see that thing now, yeah. Because let me know, like even myself, in a way, I feel like I'm being over dependent on AI. But how will you now advise me now not to be over dependent on AI? Because honestly, I feel like see that thing. Because recently I was learning one data analysis course. Then during the course, because I was already like I had to cover like 7 modules in one night. So what I did was I just pasted everything to AI. I told you to do the whole analysis and give me my answers, let me pass. But then, that's when real life now struck me that why am I now doing data analysis if AI can do this whole thing for me? And so in that kind of area, that's when I thought that more with life. You guys go diversify, you guys go find anything that you do yourself. So how will you advise me stop being dependent on AI? How will you advise other people stop being dependent on AI?
Okay. You know,
Because it's getting that bad.
you said I've been saying negative things about AI ever since. So let me tell you something. AI is very good. It makes your work easier. It makes you a better programmer. It makes everything easier. It makes everything lighter. Do you get?
Exactly.
But then the only danger in using AI is when you use AI and you don't understand what it is that it's the output. You don't understand anything. Imagine you just taking this. Imagine what you said now. You said they took it, copy and paste, copy back and paste it
Yeah, it's
again.
making life easier for me now. And
But did you understand the output? Did you understand the solution of everything
I
it gave
understand
you?
the process, but the whole process was going to take me long.
Look at this. Look, that is where AI becomes dangerous to use. You see now, you are escaping thinking.
So you're telling me now that I'm not thinking because I said I
You
understand the
don't think.
process.
Yes, you are not thinking.
Jesus. So
Look, if you're thinking, you would say, oh, how did how did it solve this problem? How did it answer this question? But you just
yeah, come.
carry and put
Now
it there
I think
again.
I just want to attack me. See, I said I understand the process.
What the process of copy and pasting?
No, the process of the whole analysis I was meant to do. But it was going to take me hours, and I only had one night to do the whole thing.
So if I bring that same question back to you now,
Yeah, that we are going out of the topic.
wait, if I bring the same question back to you now, can you solve it?
You won't find
Without-
it. So let's just forget about the
Okay,
questions. Let's just forget about the question. So like, yeah, see, I've been talking too much.
You've been talking too much. Okay, so what advice? Okay, you that is a bad image to I mean,
A bad image.
I don't know how to explain this. You that is making AI seem like it's
It's good.
no, you're making it seem like it's very bad to use.
But
Not even me.
I'm enjoying using it now.
Yes, but you're not saying how you're only saying it's helped you be a better
Yeah.
no, you're not saying it's helping you be a better programmer. You're saying it's helping you be a faster programmer.
But
Not
like,
better. In any way, it's not making you better.
Now, see the whole irony in what you're saying.
Okay.
I have a project to do. Yeah. if I start up with AI, I will do my own planning. Like I said, I do my research phase. So I do my research, and I'll go to my AI and be like, okay, I want to do this project. So what I want to add to the project, the color, blah blah, the fills, everything, the effects, and all. So AI does the work for me. Yeah.
Yes.
Then I go back to the code. When I run the code, I see the things I want to change. Right? So now if there are small changes, I make those changes myself. So it's not like I'm not thinking. I still have to, when you're looking at AI code, you still have to think.
Definitely.
Exactly. So you can't just plainly say that,
that's
I'm
what
not
I'm
thinking.
saying. That's what I'm saying. Some people do not go back to look at these things.
Okay, so you wanted to
I've
ask
seen
me.
people that do not go back to look at these things. When you copy and pasted that thing for your data analytics project, you did not go back to look at it.
Well,
You don't need to lie. You didn't go back to look at it. That's the thing.
If I feel the question,
It's not making you better. It's only making you faster, and it's only okay. It's getting the job done, but like
yes, exactly.
it's not making you a better programmer.
That is why they made AI for us. But you wanted to ask something before I cut short. You said something like me that
Yes. What advice would you give to people like you on using AI?
What advice? Like people like me,
Yes.
why using AI?
Yes.
Is it for them to stop using the AI?
No, nobody should stop using AI. I mean,
Like,
where would I be if AI?
I want to understand your question.
Yes, like people like you now
Yeah.
that do not think to use their AI well. What advice would you give to them? Should they be okay? Not people like you. I think you're pretty decent. I think you use AI very well.
Yeah.
But junior developers,
Yeah.
what advice would you give to them? Should they make it?
You know what? See, and that your question. I'll answer it after the break. So we're going on the break right now, and we'll be back.
Your website is often the first impression of your business. With professional websites starting from 350,000 naira, Shakaaraah Communications helps you stand out, build credibility, and reach more customers online. Let's bring your brand to life.
So welcome back, lads. And Shola asked me a question before we went for a break. So, and honestly, I can't remember the question, so I need you to remember.
Okay, so I asked you how you'd advise junior developers who are just starting to their way into programming. How would you advise them on the use of AI?
With the use of AI. So honestly, let me not lie to you guys. My junior developers use AI very well. See, embrace that stuff. Embrace AI, because the honest truth is that AI is going to make your life way more easier. Like, so imagine trying to create a website that also has like a lot of integrations. They're integrating email automation, you're integrating payments, you're integrating what else? You're integrating Google Analytics into your AI. Into your website. I want to tell me now that I should code it from scratch. Yeah, it will take me like 4 months. So I know that's not what you're saying. But like now, the reason why I'm saying that I should embrace AI is that, see, I'm not saying you should not learn coding, learn it too. But embrace AI, because see, I kind of think you can code in under 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So once you already know, okay, you already know all these API integrations, you just tell your AI, okay, do this, give me the logic. You get?
You basically just have to learn the fundamentals first before starting anything.
So if you ask me what I'll tell my junior developers, learn AI.
But would you tell them to be very dependent on it?
Not very dependent per se, but like depend on AI. Like, see, no coding, but use AI very well, because honestly, there are a lot of people out there that are making serious bands with AI. They already know the coding stuff, but like, don't make serious money when you embrace AI. Depend on that stuff. Like that, honestly, because now if you look at the thing here, the whole world is turning to tech.
Yes.
And AI is just going to make the whole tech thing come way faster.
Okay.
And a lot of companies now, I don't know, it's just my mindset or my thinking, but like, I feel like a lot of companies want people that actually know how to use AI to do their stuff. I don't know if you agree with me.
Yeah, I do. Okay, so has this never happened to you? Have you ever copied the code from AI? Presented it as your own, and then you were confident about it, and then it just crashed?
Now, you see, my 400 level project. my 400 level project. When I was presenting my 400 level project, that thing, I even had to like, what's the word? I had to just improvise because my project I used 7 hours. Because me, should I say I'm this kind of person that say I procrastinate a lot. Like when on TikTok's telling me I have ADHD, but me, I don't believe I'm until I go hospital. But like I procrastinate a lot. So my project, I tried procrastinated it. Then the last 7 hours before the day I was meant to present my project, I ditched out I 1 to 5 and I built the system I was meant to build. So when I was doing my presentation, when I pressed play, like run my code, facing errors. Like errors, because in the terminal. So the only thing that saved me was my lecturer is this kind of chilled man. And I just started like ranting, like not like complaining, I just started talking words and terms. Then when the man now saw that I could do CSS in my PyCharm, because I don't think a lot of people know that to do that stuff. And the man was like, wow. But like I would have failed though. I was even surprised when I saw A in my project. So yes, well it happens to me a lot.
Okay, but now that you say, you see that you were over-dependent.
And that time I was not serious with coding. But now.
But then, do you think you would tell other junior developers to be like you?
Like me now, like me then?
No, like you then.
No. I don't even like me then, sir. Like me then, I was just so. I was still able to learn.
Wait, you think you still don't procrastinate now?
No, me, I do a lot.
Okay.
But when it comes to like serious,
but AI is making you procrastinate more. Do you know that? Because you feel like, oh, this thing, if I don't start now, don't worry, I can start 5 hours before.
No. You see,
and then AI will just finish the whole thing for me, because that's literally procrastination.
Now you're getting me wrong, because I'm not procrastinating because I know I have AI. I'm procrastinating because my brain, the way my brain works is that when I say a lot of time, I'm too lazy to do anything. But when it's really choking me, that's when I'm like, wow.
Why are you explaining what procrastination means? That's what you're doing.
I'm explaining how my brain works, right? So it's not because of AI that I'm like that. And you see, one thing about me is that when I have a project to do, then I have that project, I get to it straight. But when I say AI, I have a lot of limits.
Yeah.
Yes. So even AI themselves, they tell you that they do make mistakes. I should check. I did not read that part before, but now I did read that part. So AI has a lot of limits. So if I'm telling myself that, I'll do this in like next 3 weeks, my MD can just call me like in the next 2 days and be like, what have I done? So what I do when I have a project is that I use AI to get my templates. Then I now start doing my own coding myself. Yeah. So when I start doing my own coding myself, any other integration that I need to do that I know is giving me a problem, I carry it to AI to help me. So you can see I'm not all that dependent anymore.
Okay, fair.
Exactly.
Okay, so do you trust an AI surgeon more than an AI programmer?
Surgeon?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
That's the future of AI, if you don't know.
Calm down first. Somebody open my body.
Yeah.
I'm doing surgery, man. It's not
because they are working on things like that.
And it's not human being. You say you put your body on that bed for them to work on you, robots.
The question is for you.
See, I'm talking about AI with my own use, not to be used on me. Not to get
now.
See, I can't even
not to be used on you, but you're making things that other people would use.
That's the websites and applications. It's not blood. It's not human being.
Wait.
You know if somebody.
Are you not understanding this question?
No.
Which one would you trust an AI surgeon more than an AI programmer?
Okay.
You're an AI programmer.
I'm an AI, exactly. So I'm an AI programmer.
Do you trust an AI surgeon more than you trust
an AI programmer? So now let me break down your question so that I'm not answering nonsense to you now. So when you say do I trust an AI surgeon or an AI programmer? So an AI programmer is me, using AI, and an AI surgeon is.
No, in this sense, we can't say the AI. Okay, yes, we can.
So the AI surgeon is the AI that's doing the surgery.
No.
Or the surgeon is like a word they are using to define something.
No. A surgeon that uses AI.
Oh, to do his surgeries.
Yeah.
Jesus. No.
But you trust
an AI programmer is different because now one thing about program is that it's inevitable for you to have errors.
Definitely.
But when it comes to surgery, nothing like errors. You want to kill somebody, you go to jail. You just rot. So you cannot trust. See, anybody that trusts an AI surgeon, see, I don't know what's inside that person's head because I don't know why you do that kind of
But do
thing.
you know that it's the AI programmer that will still program that thing that surgeon is using?
If me, I program it.
So you trust it. Then that's when you trust the AI
If
surgeon.
me, I program it, I can put my body to it. But honestly speaking, I'm just talking. See, when it comes to human body, I can't do about AI anything AI related. No. The reason why I trust AI programmers is that see, errors are inevitable. We can fix our errors before the thing runs. You get so that's just the thing.
Okay, so do you think AI would create more programmers, more developers, or it would eliminate a lot of them?
Yeah, honestly speaking now, the honest truth about this whole life that we're living in is that AI is really taking a lot of our jobs. Like even me that I'm a programmer right now, I'm already in that scare that AI will take my job one day. So that's why right now I'm already looking at what can I do apart from programming.
Same.
In the next 2 years now, I can just get a call and be like, Polisa, yeah, waived off or something like that. And we have an AI to do your job. I heard, was it not Google, or Facebook? I've forgotten the website, the company that they sacked about 14,000 of their people. Was it Twitter? They sacked about 14,000 of their programmers, of their staffs, say that they use AI and bots to replace them. So that's the honest truth. AI is really taking most of our jobs right now. So I won't say AI will never build more developers at all. So anybody that's going to developing now, they need to find a way to embrace AI. Now, what do I mean? This whole world, now everybody wants to be using AI. So everybody needs to go and learn, okay, how can I use AI to do this? How can I use AI to do that? So when AI take your job, you now go to that, how can I learn that you learned? That's that kind of thing.
But then, in a way, it's building more developers.
How?
Everybody wants to do software development. Everybody wants to do website development. Everybody wants to do something.
Yeah.
Even you see an economics student, they say they want to do websites. They want to do all of these things.
I believe that's because their eye has not been open yet to see that AI can do almost everything I was looking for.
Yes.
Exactly. So.
But then, yeah, you're right.
Honestly, because if their eyes are open, you see nothing is going to make me go and start learning programming now. Like if I don't know programming now, nothing is making me to learn programming now. I prefer going to learn another course like cybersecurity that I know AI cannot do.
Okay.
Yes. Or like data science that I know AI cannot do. All those kind of things. So now that's where, if I'm going to advise anybody that wants to do programming now, you should look at cybersecurity. Because honestly, cybersecurity is one part of tech that can never die out.
Yes.
Every single company needs a cyber. Right now that they're using AI, every single company needs a cyber secure, whatever they call them, for that cybersecurity. So, yeah.
Okay, so do you think the passion for coding right now is reducing because people just basically want faster results?
Passion for coding, like passion, like people want to learn.
Okay, let me rephrase. Do you think your own passion for coding has reduced? The way you wanted, when you first started programming, when you first started coding, what kind of person do you think you wanted to be? What did you even want to do?
Me?
Yes, when you first
started. To be honest with you, I'm not doing anything that will give me money. Like,
yes, everybody was.
See, so even now that, as I said, at this point, I'm embracing AI like a lot because I can make a website in 1 week with AI. I sell it some for $1,000, and they might not even know that I use AI. So that's the funny thing. Because I've learned how to use AI to do all those kind of things. So I won't say my passion for coding has reduced. My passion for coding was there. My passion for money was there. You get?
Okay.
And up to now, it's still there. So with AI now.
But now you don't think your passion for coding has dropped? At all?
Passion for coding?
Yes.
I type the code myself.
What does coding mean to you?
Okay, that was a nice question. So. In a way, see, even people that even developers now, they'll tell you that their passion. I won't say that their passion, but like they'll tell you that AI is making them not. Okay, I'm supporting you now, but like AI is telling them, it's making them not to think. I know. So, well, I would say yes. In a way, yes. It's kind of like reducing the passion, but if your passion is more to make money, it's not go down. Exactly.
But then
So
everyone's scared that AI is going to take their jobs. That's
Yeah.
why their passion for coding is reducing.
yeah,
Some people are saying, why am I doing this? Why am I going into website development when everybody can do website development?
yeah.
Because everybody can use AI. So yeah, I think you're right
but,
to an extent.
But in a way, it's not everybody that can do website development. Yes, you can make. If I make a website for you, mean that I know some parts of coding personally.
Yes.
And okay, you know coding. And someone else that doesn't know anything about coding makes the website for you. You will see the difference.
Definitely.
Even if we're using AI, even if we're using the same AI, you see the difference.
Yeah. Exactly.
So I won't say your passion should reduce. Yeah, your passion should still be there, but learn. You get. So that's what I can say about this whole thing. So AI, yes, it looks like it's going to take most of our jobs, but we should embrace it very well.
Okay, so what will you do if there's no AI again?
If there's no AI again, it's not possible now.
What would you do?
What would I do if there's no AI again? Well, and I said I'm a developer, I'll make more money because now there are less people in the market. So as a developer that already knows his stuff without AI, I'll make more money. So everything, see, one thing about this life is just find a way to make everything at your advantage. If there's no AI from the market, a lot of people will look for it. Now that there's AI, a lot of people are still looking for people, but they are looking for people that can do their stuff very well.
Yes.
You get. So I think that's just it. But
But personally, if there's no AI again, I think I'll cry.
You cry?
Yeah.
Why? You don't know how to code again.
No, not that. Trust me, not that. I'm not like you. But then, I think AI is just. I mean, it's been making our life a lot easier.
Yeah, true.
And it's been getting our jobs done faster. So like, I feel like everything will be slow, and we're already used to this new normal.
Yeah.
With the AI and everything. So I don't know. AI should not go.
To continue, my main reason for saying AI should not go is that I remember the first day I knew about ChatGPT. I think that was the first AI I knew about. We were having one test in school, so meant to be an online test in uni. I think at 200 level or so. So one day I just saw some guys. They were like, "Guy, we know all the answers now." That because us we were cracking our brain because they didn't know anything. They were like, "There's one new app like this you download, just paste all the answers, put everything there." Me said, "I run." This guy told me to pay him 1K to use his phone. 1K is not small money. You cannot use 1K to buy gara. You cannot use 1K to buy fuel again in this country. This guy told me to pay 1K to use his phone to just research something that I can just easily do on my own phone. So like the moment I knew about AI, since that day I've never done any online test on my own. So that's the honest truth. I've never actually done any online. Not that I don't know the stuff, but like it just makes life easier, and it's actually good and bad, but I support the good anytime I need it. To me, AI is good. So
yeah, same.
I believe everything. So for this now, I want to tell everyone, thank you for joining us today. And if you believe AI is perfect or not, I want you to drop a review in the comments, Thank you for joining us today and hit that subscribe button. Thank you all.